Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Kia Forte. First, gather all your necessary supplies, such as a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and about 4 quarts of the recommended engine oil. Safety is paramount, so always work on a level surface and use jack stands to secure your vehicle after lifting it. Ensure the engine is cool before you begin any work. Next, you will need to drain the old engine oil. Position your drain pan directly underneath the oil pan's drain plug. This plug is usually a 17mm bolt. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old, dark oil to flow freely into the pan. Let it drain completely for several minutes to ensure all the old oil is removed from the engine. Now, it is time to replace the oil filter and drain plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Apply a thin film of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter. Hand tighten the new filter until it is snug, then turn it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, securely reinstall the drain plug. Finally, add the new engine oil. Locate and remove the oil fill cap on your engine. Carefully pour approximately 4 quarts of the recommended engine oil into the fill opening. Replace the cap, then start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level using the dipstick. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.